Hello, good people of YouTube. This is John with Outdoor Power. Thank you for tuning in and checking out this review on the Ariens Compact 20 snowblower. Just a little bit about this snowblower before I take a little tour and walk around of the unit. This unit is featuring a 208cc Ariens AX engine. The auger housing is 20 inches wide by 20 inches tall. It features a maximum throwing distance of 40 feet. It has 2 reverse gears and 6 forward gears. Features a 3-year residential warranty and a 5-year gearbox warranty. It weighs 200 pounds total. That's dry weight. The cast iron gearbox in the front is Ariens' pride and joy of their snowblower fleet. It features a pin lock steering mechanism, which means both wheels are locked in when you engage that drive system. So I'll try to be careful here and take you on a little tour. Here's the front of the gearbox with that cast iron gearbox. And the intake, it does feature a 12-inch intake on the impeller. Walking around. Directional snow tire. There's the Ariens AX engine. It does have electric start. All of Ariens snowblowers do feature an electric start feature. This is your handle assembly. Always nice to have a headlight. There's your 6 forward and 2 reverse. And there is your chute deflection. And this little handle down here is how you actually turn the chute. If you have any questions, comments, please comment below and we will try to get to them. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button and we can bring you more reviews, product reviews. Thank you for tuning in.